My name's Matt, and this is how I save a very blurry picture to make it deliverable to a client. We're gonna jump right into Photoshop here. Step one, Control J. I like to make a second layer of the background. I like to work on fresh layers. Next, you go up to Filter, Other, High Pass. I put it at 3 pixels, okay? And then I come down to the blend mode, and I go on Linear Light. Boom. Now you can really make out that image a lot better. It looks a little bit grainy, which is gonna happen. There's no way to make a perfect, clean fix. So what you can also do here is create a layer mask, hit B for brush, and you can just kind of brush off the filter on the sides. I think that helps make it look a little bit more lifelike. And another pro hack too is to put it in black and white. I think that works a little bit better if an image is super duper out of focus like this one was. So it's as simple as that. We also sometimes will use Topaz AI. Sometimes I'll use Smart Sharpen, but not everything works all the time. So this is a really great last resort. If you wouldn't mind, hit that like and subscribe button for more photography tips and behind the scenes.